I'm about to share with you how you can turn $25 into $100 a day and a nice residual income next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, super excited because I got a new money making opportunity for you that I'm sure will appeal to anybody who's serious about getting that residual income, that passive income month after month. And that's the beauty about residual income, because you do the work one time and you're going to get paid for months and years to come without you having to do anything. So I actually got recommended this program from somebody, a part of my Facebook group, right? And the only reason why I listen to what she says is because she introduced me to the automated cash app system, which I've talked about in several videos. She introduced me to that, and I made some nice money from that. So anything she says, I'm like, all right, I'll take a look at it. So took a look at it, and I'm like, oh, this is nice. All right, I dig it. All right, so jumped on it, just started like yesterday, right? So I'm going full-fledged hard on this because I like it, and that's what you need to do. If you see something that looks good and has real earning potential, you need to jump on it. So that's what I did. I want to introduce it to my subscribers. The name of the company is called Daily Digital Club. Now the cool thing about this is it's actually e-learning, which is basically learning online, right? Which is a multi-billion-dollar industry. A lot of the big gurus talk about it, getting paid for teaching, right? People learning different stuff, sharing information online is making people a lot of money. And that is where the Daily Digital Club comes into play, because the products that we are actually selling are all e-learning. It teaches you how to start making money online. So that is the product that you're actually offering other people, right? So that's a good thing. You have a legit training course that you're going to be selling, right? Your own home business where you can sell e-learning, all right? And that's nice. You got a nice little product, boom, boom, boom. But here's the cool thing. You get 100% commissions. 100% commission. So you're not an affiliate, and you're not getting a little, you know what I'm saying? You're not getting a cut. You're getting 100% commissions of either you can start at the $25 level, right, which you get a certain amount of training, right? Or you can start at the $100 a month training. Obviously, you get more training with the $100 level than you do at the 25. But you can start easily at the 25. That's where I started, at the $25 spot. And once you become that, you become an affiliate. You get your link, and everybody, you can earn $25 commissions, but they're recurring. They're monthly commissions. So no more of those one-off payments. You know what I mean? No more of those. You actually get, that $25 every month from every person you bring in. Now, here's the really, really cool part, and why I'm excited to, share this and be a part of it, is because the company is using the reverse up system. Basically, what it means is your first sale that you make goes to you, right? You get the commission. Your second and fourth sale gets passed up to the person who brought you in. You might be like, I don't want to give up the second and fourth, but it's all good, right? Because your fifth sale on is all yours. So your fifth sale, your sixth sale, your seventh, eighth, ninth, 25th, 50th sale, right? You're going to be getting that $25 a month residual income, right? So yes, you do have to pass up two sales to the person that brought you in. But after that, it's all you. It's all you, baby, right? So here's the cool thing. So you're like, well, that's messed up. I got to pass up two people. But here's the thing. Everybody that you bring in has to do the same thing. So if you bring in 25 people, right? All them 25 people, they got to give you their second and fourth sales, which is still residual, right? So you get the point, right? So super excited, guys. I don't want to make this video too long, but that's basically what this opportunity is. Because a lot of people, when you see systems like this, people always be like, well, there's no product. They have a legit product. We have a legit product. And I do want to invite you to my team, which is, I'm on the same team as Kim, the girl who invited me in, and she's a beast, right? So when you jump in, I'm going to get you involved with our private Facebook group where we just, is dope. Like we go hard over there. Like I said, I only been there one day, and we go hard. So you'll be part of the team. All right. So all you gotta do is follow that link below. Right. All it takes you for $25 to get started. That's it. Right. You'll be able to contact me. My number's below as well. You can comment below if you have any questions, but there's no really need for no questions. As simple as that. Join, sign up, 25 bucks a month. If you want to start at the 100, you can, or you start at 25 and you're going to make residual income. Residual. All right. So I'll be doing multiple videos on this, guys, because I really want to blow this up. I want our team to be super successful. I want our team to be like on the top of the leaderboard. So doing what I got to do, guys. So let's make this happen. Click the link below and get started. 25 bucks can create a huge residual income. 25 bucks. So you're looking for a home business idea with very little startup, this is it. Be sure to subscribe, thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Hey.